Sakshi from BDM third year, here to present you the recap of our 3-day workshop, what we do in our 3-day workshop. So finally we had a basic knowledge about Power BI. Power BI is a software used to process the data and do the visualization. And who are the person who are benefited from Power BI? There are two main persons who are benefited from Power BI. The first one is the owner of the business and the second one is the marketing manager. We also learn about data and data type, and after that we have 3 steps through which we can put data into the Power BI and do the visualization. The first step is collecting the data. We have 3 different sources to collect the data. The first one is flat files, the second one is database, and the third one is cloud. After that we have to transform our data. For transforming our data, we have to check the data type of each column and do the necessary transformation if required. In the third step, we have to visualize our data. For that we have to use charts and KPIs to see the data insights. And in day 1 we have 5 major topics which were procurement of data. In procurement of data, we have to collect the data, under which we have gone with domain of e-commerce and persona of customer sales data. And the second main topic was building relationship with ER diagram, building relationship between data set by using lucid chart. And the third major topic was how to load data into Power BI and do the necessary transformation. The fourth step was to build relationship by using ER diagram in Power BI. And the fifth topic, we have seen the features of Power BI. We have 7 features of Power BI. The left side deals with 4 features and the right side deals with 3 features. The left side we have report view, table view, model view, and DAX query. In the right side we have data visualization and filter. So in day 2 we have learned how to create a dashboard using charts and KPIs. KPIs are key performance indicator, and charts are the visual representation of numeric and visualization. I have created this dashboard using the charts and KPIs. This is the dashboard of telecom. I have used 3 KPIs to show the customer ID, total data uses, and sum of monthly bill amount. I have also used pie charts and donut charts to show the count of customer ID by gender and sum of monthly bill amount by plan type. I have used a bar chart to show the count of churn status by gender, which shows that the churn status of female are more as compared to men. And this is all about my dashboard. I would like to thank our college for giving us opportunity to attend this Power BI workshop, and also to the Praveen sir for guiding us to have the knowledge about Power BI.